Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I am making Atta Aloo Samosa. A crispy golden pocket filled with a flavorful potato mixture. Wrapped in a homemade dough, perfect for a rainy afternoon, tea time gathering, or whenever you are craving something crunchy and comforting. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ajwain, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix until the flour looks crumbly. Gradually add 1/3 cup water and bring everything together into a firm dough. Keep the dough slightly firm for a crisp shell. Apply a little oil over the surface and let it rest. For the filling, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Half teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon crushed cumin, 1 teaspoon green chili. Let the spices release their aroma. 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoon green peas, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chaat masala. Mix well. Now mash well. And keep aside. Take small portion of dough and roll them into discs. Place the potato filling into the center. Cover with another small roll dough. Seal the edges neatly using a fork. Seal carefully to prevent opening while frying. Allow the stuffing to cool before filling. Make few light cut marks on top for a beautiful finish. Brush little water around the edges. Now fold as shown. Carefully place them into medium heated oil. Cook on medium heat to achieve an evenly crisp texture. Cook until the outer layer turns crisp, golden and beautifully puffed. Ajwain is traditionally used to support digestion. Fresh herbs and spices enhance flavor naturally. These crunchy Atta Aloo samosas are perfect for sharing with family over a cup of tea. If you try this recipe, tell me what dipping sauce you would pair with it. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more homemade snacks.